Each year for the last several years, we have been awarding a grant towards first year of secondary school tuition costs and general school costs for the children from the constituency of South St. Andrew who scored above a certain level in their primary school, end of primary school exams, whether it was the GSAT, now of course it's the PEP. So we have a cutoff at 325, I think, was the cutoff this year for it. And 100, I think, 101 children from the constituency qualified for getting the grant. And we have 3 levels, depending on how well they do. We have 3 different levels, so there are 3 different levels of award. And, this is something that, we're very happy to be able to do, and we encourage and ask for help in doing it, and we get good support from a network of private sector donors, corporate and individual donors, who see it fit to support it. So I'm very happy that we've been able to do this. The times are very hard in Jamaica right now. School books are exorbitantly expensive, and all the costs of going back to school are very high. So parents are really feeling it now. So this is particularly meaningful for the parents this year of the children who get these awards. And of course, this is separate and apart, and in addition to the general back-to-school program that we run in the constituency and that most MPs and councillors run. Combination of some cash and some book vouchers. Yeah, so it's all for back to school. Yeah.
And is this for the year or just going back to school?
Well, they can spend it how they want, but essentially it's to help them get through the school year with the costs of going back to school and starting a new school, because of course they're all going to be starting secondary school for the first time, so they'll have to have new uniforms and all sorts of new things that they didn't have to have before. So this is just to help them along as well. We have an adult continuing education program which we started, the ACE program, for those who left school, didn't really have anything to show for it and want a second chance to go back and get some subjects. These are adults now, and we provide free tuition for them for a year of study for them to do a range of CXC, CSEC subjects, and many have benefited from that over the years as well.